Hello, welcome to Friday Questions. My name's David Roberts. I am a software developer with over 20 years of experience. I have also managed international recruitment teams, and every week I try to I try to answer the pressing questions from you as developers or aspiring developers about careers in tech. So without further ado, let's get into the question. Is it worth sticking with anything other than React for front end? It seems like every front end role is asking for React currently. This is a great question, and I get this quite frequently. Now, React is definitely winning the popularity battle. But does that mean it's the best? No, and I'm not here to say it's not the best either. It's about personal choice at the end of the day. However, if you're looking at the market and how many jobs are available, React is the big player. React is everywhere. There's so much of it, and there's a million jobs, it seems, if you've got enough experience and you can show that you've got the things that go around it. 'Cause it's never just React, right? There's a bunch of other technologies that go alongside it. So the more you can showcase those, the better your opportunities or chances are going to be. Now, when something like a framework or a language is very popular and there's a lot more jobs in it, what you need to understand is there's also going to be much more competition for those jobs. So when you see a job pop up for a junior level React developer, there's going to be, certainly if it's on one of the big job boards, there's going to be thousands of applicants. So now you need to think, am I going to be able to stand out? If you do want to stand out, I can help you with that. Well, that's what I do via my services. There's a book and a video course and the full course available on crushing.digital. Go there if you want to find out more. But if you're going to stand out in a pile of developers, thousands of developers, then you're going to have to be very detailed, very strategic, and very detail oriented in your profiles and showcasing what you can do and how proactive you are in doing it. So just because something is very popular and there are lots of jobs in it doesn't make it easy to land one of those jobs, because it means competition is very fierce. If you look at some of the competitors to it, there are far fewer jobs, but there's also far fewer developers. So at the end of the day, you need to choose your own battle. What I would suggest to you, and it sounds like this is someone trying to break into the industry, if you're trying to decide between React and Vue and Angular and all those kind of things, I wouldn't just be looking at the volume of jobs. I'd bear that in mind. If there's no jobs in something, you don't want to just go and do that if there's no jobs. But I would bear in mind that you could try something like React and think, I don't get it, I don't like it, I don't enjoy it, it's not what I want to do. This happened to me. And you might try something else then and go, oh, this is the one, something that resonates. If I were you, I'd find the thing that suits you best or suits the project that you're actually trying to build best. What you will find is as you get to be more experienced as a developer, you'll jump between these frameworks and libraries anyway. So at the end of the day, it's just JavaScript underneath, right? But the thing is, it's not always just a case of which one's got the most jobs. It's going to be which one's got the least competition, or where have I got the best chances of getting a job. And if you get that job, but you hate the language or the library or the framework, did you really want it in the first place? That's the thing I would be thinking if I were you. Before you actually jump into something, I'd actually try these things and see if you actually like it, see if it resonates with you, because you might find straight away that it doesn't. I hope that's answered your question. If anyone else would like to ask a question, there is a link somewhere down here below for you to ask a question. I answer them during the week, and I put out a lot of the videos on Fridays usually, unless something's really pressing, I'll push it out sooner. But I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Take it easy.